How can I download an old version of Google Chrome? For testing purposes, I need to download an old version of Google Chrome. I need the stable release of Google Chrome version 69.0.3497.81 to test some of its features. I need to open it and navigate with it. I think this requires turning off the updates. My system is Ubuntu 18.04 64-bit and it has version 70.0.3538.110, official build 64-bit. I could not find any trusted source to download an old release of Google Chrome from. I find some shady websites with exe files and I do not want to download from them for security reasons.
Google does not offer older versions of Chrome, in the name of security. You may find older versions on the Chromium project, although the version may differ slightly on the last number component. You may have a look at some Chrome clones. For example, SlimJet is a web browser based on Chrome does provide some older versions of Chrome. To download, visit the SlimJet site to access the archive, where I found version 69.0.3497.92 as the closest. For Chrome/Chromium itself, there are great difficulties in finding older versions. Here are some possibilities, which I haven't tried.
For Chromium, the best option I've found is this URL. This lets you filter BIOS, release channel, and major version, and provides official download links. Incidentally, if you have a Windows machine, Sandboxy is a nice way to run old versions of Chromium and clean up easily after you're done.
For Chromium Linux/Win/Mac, this URL. For Chrome, CentOS RPM, this URL. For Chrome, Debian/Ubuntu/Windows/Mac, this URL.
So all of the other answers address Chromium, and not Google Chrome. I'm not entirely sure how, but it seems like the Arch Linux community has figured out how to do it. Checking the sources section of the package, you get a hint from the Arch community on how to do it. Now, I believe that there aren't a wide variety of architectures that Chrome supports. In the case of Linux, I believe that ARM64 is the only supported Arch. It seems like the only thing you need to do here is replace stable with the channel you want, 112.0.5616.165 with the version you want. Additionally, I would not know what to replace to get that URL to work on Windows or Mac. Also, I don't know if this URL has restrictions on what version you can download from it. I could not find any documentation on this URL.
If you like this partition, please consider subscribing.